This is a Nintendo Switch game. Let's look what's inside. No. Let's look what's inside here. Get our handy dandy prying tool and take the first ever look at the Nintendo Switch 2 PCB. These PCBs are plastic welded or ultrasonic welded together. It's kind of like glue, except they literally melt the two plastic halves into one with ultrasonic waves. And so getting under them is quite the chore. But once we get it started, it'll go a lot easier. There we go. To minimize damage, we'll use the plastic one from here. So let's take a look. Oh, it's really held in there. We're pulling it fully open. So that's what I thought. This looks exactly like the modern Switch cartridge PCBs. It's one big chip. This is what has the game on it. And then on the back are the contacts through a very tiny PCB. So there you have it. Pretty much exactly the same as the Switch 1 PCBs. Now I do know there's one question everyone's asking. Does it still taste bad? Yep, there it is. Still bad.